And so I invite you to close your eyes if that's comfortable. If not, find a place where you can soften your gaze. I'm going to invite us to invoke 3 of my favorite powers to combine together in a morning practice for myself. And so we'll begin with the power of understanding, which is located in our front forebrain. And so I invite you to either place a hand on your forehead and either press gently, or if you want, you can do some tapping, and you can tap into this power of understanding. This ability to know things, this ability to understand what somebody else might be saying to you, and to also understand that you can still hold your truth. To understand that there's several ways of being, and there's several different ways that things can be seen or interpreted. And so just invite that awakening of our understanding, that true ability to raise our consciousness through chosen use of the power of understanding, to be truly in our spiritualness. And so just breathe that knowledge in, breathe that understanding in. And so next I invite you to bring your awareness to your heart space, to the power of love, the great harmonizer. And you can, again, just gently press on your heart space, your chest area, just to invoke the knowledge that you're paying attention there. You can tap just below your throat on your breastbone. You can tap there and wake up that connection to your harmonizing power of love. And so now we've invited our body and our mind to coordinate the relationship between understanding and a relationship with love, the great harmonizer, our ability to join alongside others, to find the true oneness, to harmonize our thoughts and our feelings and our words. To invite the power of love to be an emotional stand for us. And so take a nice deep breath into that chest area, that heart space, and just let that go gently. And then I invite you to place a hand or both hands on your solar plexus, just right above your belly button, just below your rib cage, and acknowledge this power of wisdom. And again, you can tap in that area or just give a gentle nudge, awakening the power of wisdom and combining it with our understanding and our love. Trusting that when we invoke our wisdom, not only from the places that we've learned and the places that we've studied, but our places of humanity rest inside our wisdom. And again, just noticing that at any time we can call upon this trifecta of powers, the power of understanding, the power of love, the power of wisdom to guide us. And you can know that any time that you take that moment to ask, what would my wisdom do, or what would love do, or what would understanding do? You've already changed where you're at. Again, it's that opportunity to open up to something wider, something deeper, something more grounded in your truth. I invite you to take a deep breath in. As you let go, bring gratitude into this space. And I invite you to be grateful for whatever comes to mind. And I invite you to find gratitude for something about yourself, something that you love and appreciate about yourself. And if you're joining us online, I invite you to bring gratitude to a family member, somebody in your family that you could be grateful for in this moment. And here, if you're joining us in person here, I invite you to think of the people that are sitting next to you. If you can see them and find gratitude in their presence. And maybe bring a gentle smile to your face. And as you're ready, you can open your eyes, come back to this space. Namaste.